Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will continue about data types. While testing and debugging your programs, you may discover the problems that seems to be related to the data type of the item. In this case, we may want to determine an item's data type. For that, we should use typeof operator. Syntax of it is trace in bracket typeof in bracket variable name bracket close and semicolon. Example: trace type of variable I. If I is a number, the output panel will display number. Assigning data types to the element. Flash automatically assigns data type to the following kinds of languages element, that is variable, parameter passed to the function, method or class, values written from a function or method, objects created as subclasses of existing class. Automatic data typing. In Flash, you do not need to explicitly define an item as holding either a number, a string, or other data type. In ActionScript converts data types automatically when an expression requires it. Example: var x equal to 10. X is now number. Now we will assign a string to variable x. Let's say x equal to hello. X is now string. Strict data typing. ActionScript 2.0 lets you explicitly declare the object type of a variable when you create it. This is called strict data typing. Example: var x colon number equal to 10. Now x can only store a numeric value, integer or real. Another example: where str colon string equal to hello. Now str variable can only hold a string value. Casting objects. ActionScript 2.0 lets you cast one data type to another data type. The cast operator that Flash uses takes the form of a function call and is concurrent with explicit coercion. Syntax for it is type in bracket item. We should use it when we want the compiler to behave as if the data type of item is type. Thank you.